Welcome to the Blizzard 2016, even more famous World Cocktail Weenie Championship. Contestant number 1, we have Jogos, just using a knife and fork. Contestant number 2, we have Bruce. Woo! What's this here you got on your plate, you smoke?
My prize.
Beefy, do you hold this contest near and dear to your heart?
That I do.
And then we have the vegan hipster. On your marks, get set, grab your wieners, go! Who's counting? Who's counting? So the idea here is when you get done with your first 6, you put 6 more on your plate. Whoa, whoa! Bruce is shaking it down.
Jewel just went low carb.
Oh, right off of the head.
As if it ain't nothing. Look at this here. It looks like he's gonna pop. He's not looking good. Whoa, whoa.
That's gonna make me.
Second puker here.
I'm out.
Bruce is out. We got a couple disqualified contestants. All right, guys, that's it. Time's up. Time's up. Jogos, what was your number?
13.
Jogos, how did you get all that sauce over your face, but your bib somehow was miraculously clean? Smoky.
19.
I gotta sit back down.
19.
19.
19. Beefy, what is your number?
18.
18. One less than Smoke.
Really?
Vegan hipster. Thanks for coming back on such short notice. What happened out there?
You know, it just hit me all at once. I ate too many cocktail weenies.
We have a winner. It is Smokey.